Are you drinking salt water first thing in the morning, popping hydration tablets before you work out, or chugging electrolyte drinks all day? Well, fitness influencers swear by it. But do you really need electrolytes every day? Let's find out what's real, what's a fad, and what's your body's actual needs. What are electrolytes and why do you need them? Electrolytes are minerals like sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium that helps your body balance fluids, move muscles, maintain energy and nerve function. Every time you sweat, you lose water and electrolytes, not just plain water. And that's why post-exercise headaches or fatigues are often electrolyte imbalance. Here's a Fit Tak fact drop. Even 1 to 2% dehydration can drop your physical performance, says National Institute of Health. So when do you actually need electrolytes? Should you be adding electrolytes to your daily water? Yes, if you're working out in high heat, you sweat a lot or exercise more than 60 minutes. You're recovering from a stomach bug or diarrhea. You fast or follow a low-carb keto diet. You live in hot cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Ahmedabad. And no, if you're sedentary sitting in AC all day, your diet already includes enough salt and potassium. Example, the Indian food. Remember, too much sodium without sweating can cause bloating, BP spikes and kidney strain. Now let's bust all the myths about hydration. 8-glass rule, you've heard it everywhere. Drink 8 glasses of water every day. But is that the universal truth? See, you must have heard the 8-glass rule and it's almost followed everywhere. But what's the universal truth? Do you really need 8 glasses of water every day? Well, hydration needs vary by your body weight, climate. So say hello to Indian summers. Activity level. Well, the United States National Academy says men needs 3.7 liters of water a day and women needs 2.7 liters water a day from all fluids including food. So here's the bottom line. Don't force it. Drink when you're thirsty and eat water-rich foods like fruits and veggies. More water is equal to better detox? Well, that's not true. Your kidney detoxifies your body. Well, water helps, but overhydration can flush out important minerals. Best way to hydrate in Indian summers. Nimbu pani with a pinch of salt and jaggery. Coconut water is natural potassium boost. Buttermilk is best for cooling and hydration and also gut friendly. Fruits like watermelon, cucumber and oranges. Here's a bonus tip. Add ORS or electrolyte sachets only when you're sweating buckets, like after a long run or yoga in 40-degree heat. See, you don't need to sip salt water all day or buy fancy tablets to stay healthy. Hydration is smart when it's balanced. Water plus real food plus lifestyle. Listen to your body. Don't overdo electrolytes. Use them when it makes sense. Hit like if you've ever fallen for hydration trends and share this with your workout buddies.